All right, February is Heart Month, and while preventing heart disease is really an important goal, every 10 minutes another name is added to the transplant waiting list, and thousands of those people are failing hearts.
Here's the thing, transporting those hearts for transplant, not a simple task. Our Dr. Frank McGeorge is here with a solution that's changing that, and it goes by a pretty catchy name.
It sure does, Pam and Karen. Actually, the system is actually called Heart in a Box, and it increases the access to donated hearts by significantly extending the amount of time that a heart can be preserved outside of the body, which basically increases the distance that it can be transported to those patients in need.
The Heart in a Box is more formally known as the TransMedics Organ Care System. It's a device that maintains the organ in a functioning state, perfusing it with warm, oxygen-rich blood, nearly doubling the window of time to get it to a patient in need.
In the past, we were restricted by the 4-hour ischemic time. Now we have the ability to travel further, since the heart is going to be perfused outside the body in a beating state compared to cold storage on ice in the past. And this way we can get hearts from anywhere virtually in the country.
The device also allows transplant teams to use hearts that were previously not available in the past by assessing the viability of the organ while it's outside the body.
Donor organs tend to come from people that were otherwise healthy. And in order for us to use that heart, the heart has to have normal function. It has to have no evidence of coronary artery disease or other significant medical problems.
And Michigan medicine researchers are looking to push this advancement even further.
There still are limits. You can only perfuse the organs on this system for a finite period of time. We are trying to understand in our laboratory, under the direction of Robert Bartlett, what are the factors that contribute to the inability to perfuse these organs for longer periods of time, trying to identify what we can do to eventually achieve our goal, which is organ banking.
Now, the Heart in a Box system is really, really cool. It basically keeps the heart beating and alive in a transportable container. It oxygenates the blood that flows into the continuously beating heart. It also includes a pacemaker if the heart needs electrical stimulation to continue beating, and it has a defibrillator if it actually starts beating abnormally.
That's fascinating. Okay, so it's called Heart in a Box. Does this work for other organs as well?
Well, actually, yeah, there are the equivalents of a lung in a box and a liver in a box system that basically all use modifications of that same general principle.
Amazing what they
Slick.
Yeah, very slick. I like that.
Thank you, doctor.